Hey everybody, we are at Hershey Park. There's Chocolate World, and straight ahead is Hershey's Chocolatetown and the amusement park, Hersheypark. But today we are going to go over on the tram car. I thought it would just be kind of fun to take the tram around and see where it actually goes because I never have done it. So there's Hershey Park, and we're going to just cross the street here to wait for the tram car. Over here is the Hershey Stadium. They have, concerts and all kinds of special events over there. It's a big outdoor stadium. So here we are, just waiting around for the tram. There's the Chocolatier restaurant over there. There's Hershey Supply Company. That is like right there is the Hershey Supply Company, and there's the Chocolatier restaurant. The Hershey Supply Company is a giant gift shop. It's bigger than the one in Chocolate World, so they have a lot of cool Hershey's merchandise there. All right, well, I guess we'll sit down and take a seat until the tram comes. And here comes the tram cars now. So they definitely have a couple going, even though it's earlier in the day. It's 11 o'clock right now. So a lot of people are coming in. So if you don't feel like walking, you can just wait at the tram locations to pick up the tram, and they'll bring you right to the front of the park. And then when you're finished your day, the trams run until 11 p.m. over the summer. All right, I'm getting on the tram. I got the tram. And I have the tram to myself.
For your safety, just please remain seated. And we'll be off the tram stop.
All right, here we go.
In a couple minutes.
There's Chocolate World. And there's the trolley, where you get the trolley station. There's Hershey Stadium over there. And the Hershey Hotel is right up that hill up there. And also Hershey Gardens is right over there. And I'm parked somewhere over there.
Over to your right, up on a hill there behind the Welcome to Hershey sign, that is part of Milton Hershey school system. That is used as a middle school now for 5th graders. The remainder of the campus is on the southeast side of town. And this school was originally built in 1929.
This is actually really relaxing. So if you need a break, you can just jump on the tram car and take a ride around. He said it takes 3 minutes to get to the parking lot, and then they hang out there for 5 minutes, and then they pick up people and then come back. Here comes another tram car, bringing guests to the front of the park. Looks like this might be a pickup point. Yep, picking up some people.
We're now boarding for Hershey Park, Chocolate World, Zoo America, and the boardwalk.
This is tram stop 1, so we'll find out how many tram stops there are. And it is a full load already. Lots of people going to the park.
For everybody's safety, please remain seated. Keep your hands and feet and all your belongings inside the tram at all times. And if you have any small children with you, please place a covering arm around them for their safety. Just in case we need to come to a sudden, unexpected stop.
Oh, yeah, right there.
something off the tram, please do not attempt to recover it yourself. We have people at each of the tram stops that can do that for you. In our hours today, Still America's open until 7, the Boardwalk is up until 8, Hersheypark is up until 10, and Chocolate World will be open until 8:11, and we will have tram service available throughout the day and evening hours with the last tram ride out to parking lot. Stop number 1 will be no later than 11 o'clock sharp. Anytime after that, you will probably be walking.
That's preferred parking over there by the stadium.
And over to the right, that is Chocolate World. Inside Chocolate World, we have a free 12-minute interactive sit-down ride. This shows how our candy is made. The cocoa bean is the final product. And once the ride is complete, you receive a free sweet treat. Over left, that is our stadium where we have a summer concert series. Coming up next Friday, we have Tyler Childress. And a little further ahead, you see the large Hersheypark sign there. Directly below that, you see entrance into Hersheypark, Still America, and the Boardwalk. And you'll be now coming around the circle, parking underneath the large brown pavilion. That's where you'll be exiting for your destination today. Also where you need to come back to if you choose to take the tram back to the parking lot later on this evening. As you exit, watch your hand, watch your step.
All right, well, that was a fun tram ride. I thought we would just walk right by the Hersheypark and Chocolatetown sign, and I'll show you what's down here as far as the shops. I can show you the shops and restaurant real quick too. And Hersheypark still has their red, white, and blue celebrating 250 for America decorations up here. And it is definitely a busy day. There are tons of people coming in. All right, let's walk down this way. There's actually restrooms right here if you need to use the restroom before you enter the park. And there are wheelchair rentals if you need a wheelchair right here also. Okay, hand-rolled pretzels. Straight ahead, that's the Hersheypark Supply Company, the giant gift shop. They also have inside, they have the sweetery, confectionery kitchen, ice cream parlor, so there's a lot of good stuff there. You can also get popcorn buckets here. And this is not open yet. I think this will probably open at noon or something like that. But this is Chocolatetown Treats. They have hand-rolled pretzels, dips, cotton candy, popcorn bucket, refills, popcorn bag, cheese box, caramel box, kettle corn, bottled water, and fresh squeezed lemonade there. And then this is still Hershey's Supply Company. It's a giant store. And then over here is Milton's Ice Cream Parlor. And there's lots of outdoor seating, which is nice. And then up top is the Chocolatier Restaurant, Bar, and Patio. And we're gonna eat here at some point, but I highly suggest making reservations, especially in the busy summer months, because they do book up pretty quick. All right, let's go check out the Hersheypark red, white, and blue signs and decorations at the front of the park here. Oh, that looks actually really cool. All right, here's the front of the park. So this is where you come when you want to enter Hersheypark. There's the roller coaster Candemonium, and there's the Hershey fountain there. Okay. In this building right there, that's ticketing. A lot of people are going in there to have a good time before the end of summer. which is so sad that it's actually coming down to the end of summer. Beautiful flowers hanging. And then we'll go and check out the Chocolatetown sign up there. Hershey's Chocolatetown. And all these people are waiting for their chance to take a picture by the Chocolatetown sign, but there's nobody over here. So a little tip, come to the other side. You don't get the Hersheypark sign in the background, but if you don't want to wait in that long line, you can come right here and look, there's nobody here. You can get your photo taken in front of the Hershey's Chocolatetown sign there. You won't get that in the background, but I don't know. It's still cool. It's a cool sign there, and you don't have to wait in that line. And then over here, they have all the fun characters that you can get your photos taken with. All the candy statues, Jolly Rancher Twizzlers, the Hershey bar, Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, and Hershey Kiss. So cute, fun thing to do. And then up here is, of course, Chocolate World. And that is free to enter. They have the free 12-minute factory tour ride. I'm gonna sneak over on this side. There's definitely a lot of people coming.
25 cents, I get a key, 25 cents.
All right, and there's Chocolate World. So a lot of fun stuff here in Hershey, that's for sure. All right, well, on that note, on that sweet note, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope you enjoyed the little tram ride around the parking lot. I will find out how many tram stops there are, and I'll put that in the video when I get home. So thank you so much, everybody. Have a wonderful day. See you on the next one. Bye.